Starting class 8th students. Today is Saturday, 2nd May, and I hope you all are safe because you stay at home. You maintain social distance. I would like to teach you science, whatever we were studying about the agriculture, crop production. Now we have some historical events here, history of agriculture. In your previous classes, or you can say in history classes, you will have studied about the nomad person. Nowadays, perhaps in the entire earth, no one is nomad today because each and every person has been locked down. No one can become a nomad. Nomad means a person who just sometimes lives here and then after it migrates, he or they migrates from one place to another. They are called the nomad. So they were also hunter-gatherer. It means they hunt the animals and gather the food. Whenever these type of food were just end at the position of end, then they started once again hunting and gathering the food. So that in very early time, perhaps the history says 10,000 before, the man settled close to the river banks. Why? For convenience of water, because water is very essential for all purposes of the human body, human beings, for washing clothes, for drinking, and for agriculture also. So that nomad people always gathered at river banks. Gradually, man discovered tilling, planting, harvesting, and right species of plants and rearing of animals for his food. These are some basic history of agriculture. So प्यारे बच्चों, मैं आपको यह बता दूं कि आप साइंस 8वीं कक्षा में पढ़ रहे हैं. आप सभी से मैं ये रिक्वेस्ट करूंगा कि आप घर पे रहें, सुरक्षित रहें. इसी के बारे में ऐसा कहा जाता है कि नोमैड एक वैसे लोग जो एक जगह से दूसरे जगह हमेशा अपने आवास और भोजन की तलाश में चलते रहते थे. तो प्राचीन समय में पीपुल वेयर नोमैड. They always started migrating from one place to another place in search of food and shelter. So from where they will gather food, and then after they used to stay at the close to river banks. These are some historical events. Now we have a look on crops and crop plants. Because in each and every topic which is very essential, I will write on blackboard, and I request you please write down according to the dates of the class, and then after you make a fair copy, and then you may raise all types of questions wherever if it is necessary and could not understand by what I have studied taught here. And some of you are, if unable to understand my tone, my language, anything else, then you may raise the questions. I request you. Now let's have crops and crop plants. When one type of plants, first we do points here, crops, crop plants. So here we have to write from here to there. What is crop? When one type of plant is cultivated, when one type of plant is cultivated created on a large scale of land is called the crop. Examples: wheat, maize, paddy, pulses, etc. Some crop plants, for example, are maize. Now crops, crop plants, cereal crops, wheat, maize, paddy, pulses, these are the crop plants. Now what is crops? Called the crop plants. You can say also crop plants also. Crops, a special type of, you can say this is the special type of plant which is reared. Pulse crops, fiber crops, oil seeds, pulse crop. Cereals crops, fiber crops, now oil seed crops. Pulse means dal. A pulse crops means cereals crops. Pulse crop pea, bean, gram, soybean. Pea, bean, gram, soybean, etc. जो लिखना हो. Cereal crops, wheat, rice, barley, ragi, maize, barley, etc. Fiber crops means resa, cotton, jute and hemp. Cotton, jute and hemp. Oil seeds, mustard oil, groundnut, sunflower, soybean, coconut, etc. कितना देर में नहीं लिया हाँ parts beta as you will all understand you can whenever if you will buy your book you will get the more details about the different types of just sugar cane spices it means masala. Now let's we have some cultured crops, horticulture crops. horticulture, sericulture, pisciculture, aquaculture, etc. There are so many types of cultures. So, whatever the horticultures are concerned, vegetables, fruits, flowers for decoration and ornamental non-flowering plants are also grown on a large scale. That is called the horticulture crops. Vegetables, fruits, flowers, etc. are grown on a large scale are called the horticulture. As you know all, whatever the cabbage, cauliflower, beans, radish, carrot, onion, etc. Fruits, mango, banana, papaya, grapes, berries, and whatever the ornamental plants are also concerned, all types of flowers, rose, jasmine, marigold, dahlia, etc. Crop seasons in India, we will discuss Rabi season, Kharif season, etc. on in next class, because this is the net class and I hope this today is Saturday beta. So I am very regret I could not attend more details about the more class. So on by Monday we will repeat. We will start more details on the further classes. And I would like to say that and have a nice day.